In a significant development, Argentina's Chief of Cabinet of Ministers have provided a report to the Chamber of Deputies of Argentina, providing some specific details regarding the 12 supersonic fighter jet acquisition of the Argentine Air Force. The report mentions that it must be a supersonic multi-role fighter, with in-flight refueling capability compatible to existing KC-130H Hercules refuelers of the Argentine Air Force, along with AESA radar, tactical data link capability, electronic self-defense capability, supply of weapons, and there must be no components of British origin in the aircraft. The report also mentions that the Argentine Air Force is studying 4 contenders, that includes the Chinese JF-17 Block 3, Indian Tejas aircraft, second-hand American F-16 and Russian MiG-35. The report also expresses concerns on the Russian RD-93 engine that powers the MiG-35, since Russian products are currently under severe restrictions due to Western sanctions. The report also says that the second-hand F-16 does not meet the requirements of carrying an AESA radar, unless they are upgraded to Viper standard, and they are also not compatible with the KC-130H Hercules refueler. China has offered the JF-17 Block 3 with Chinese HTY-5 ejection seat and WS-13 engines of Chinese origin, which makes the JF-17 Block 3 compliant with all the requirements established by the Argentine Air Force. India is actively advertising its Tejas aircraft, and several high-level meetings were held recently, including executives of Hindustan Aeronautics and Bharat Electronics Limited. The IIT Kanpur is all set to conduct the wind tunnel model design and fabrication work of the scale model of India's upcoming high-altitude long-endurance class UAV that is being developed by the Aeronautical Development Establishment. It will feature a double-boom twin-tail design, and will be powered by a turboprop aircraft engine in pusher configuration. After the wind tunnel testing is concluded, 2 prototypes will be fabricated for developmental trials. The Aeronautical Development Establishment has plans to develop another armed high-altitude long-endurance class UAV with a stealthy design, which will be powered by a turbofan engine that can cruise above 50,000 feet. With an aim to upgrade 811 BMP-2 infantry combat vehicles with new capabilities, the Indian Army has started the trials to upgrade its BMP-2 vehicles with 3 local firms, that includes Tunbo Imaging, Big Bang Boom Solutions, and Dimension NXG Private Limited. The upgraded vehicle will feature see-through armor, anti-drone system, thermal imager-based gunner and panoramic commander sights, a modern fire control system, and an automatic target tracker. The Indian Army is all set to deploy 2 Heron MK2 unmanned aerial vehicles along the line of actual control in the eastern sector by end of September. India had leased 4 SATCOM-enabled Heron MK2 drones from Israel in 2021, out of which 2 UAVs have been deployed at Leh, and now 2 UAVs will be inducted in the Eastern Command by end of September, that will significantly increase the operational capability. Rattan India Enterprises has launched its first anti-drone product known as Defender. The Defender has a maximum speed of 26 meters per second and a range of up to 20 kilometers in a single flight, and it captures the rogue drone within it, and this soft kill approach makes the drones cost-effective. Tata Advanced Systems Limited has announced that it has won the contract to supply 10,000 bulletproof jackets to the Indian Armed Forces. Tata Advanced Materials Limited has pioneered the design and manufacturing of lightweight composites-based bullet-resistant jackets that can provide Level 3 protection. The Ghatak platoons of Indian Army's Rising Star Corps have carried out a joint training with Special Forces to refine special weapons drills and tactics, and to forge cutting-edge combat capabilities.